how to log into ATT. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you log in or sign into your ATT email account. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open any browser on your system. Alright, so after you open the browser, in the source field you'll have to search for ATT login, and after you search it, you can easily find the official site of ATT, from where the URL will be like att.com. So simply tap on that att.com. Alright, so from the section AT&T, you can easily find the options like sign in at the bottom. So simply tap on the option sign in. Alright, so from the ATT sign in section, you can easily provide your user ID for your account, or you can also go with the options like forgot user ID if you have been forgotten your user ID. So you can as usual go with the options like you don't have a user ID, and you can also create new one user ID by tapping on the option don't have a user ID. And also you can also go with the options like pay without signing in. So from this way you can easily provide your user ID here, and after you provide your user ID here, you'll have to just tap on the option continue from there, and after you tap on that continue, you'll have to just enter the correct password for your ATT account, and after you provide the correct password, you can easily sign in or log into your ATT email account. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.